Hey everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, we're going to take a closer look at Eyezy, one of the best parental control apps out there on the market. I'll show you all their capabilities and areas where it surpasses the competition. So if you want to know more about Eyezy and whether or not it's suitable for your household, then this video is going to be for you. And without further ado, let's get into it. Also, if at any point in the video you'd like to check out Eyezy for yourself, you'll find all the useful links as well as discounts in the description down below to help you save some extra money. So in recent years, parental control apps have become increasingly popular among parents who want to monitor and manage their children's online activities. These apps allow parents to block inappropriate content, set time limits on device usage, and track their children's location among other features. And the rise of parental control apps goes back to several factors, including the widespread use of smartphones and tablets among children, concerns about online safety and cyberbullying, and the need for parents to balance their children's screen time with other activities. But not all parental control apps are created equal, and most of them are either lacking in features or pose security risks. This, however, does not apply to Eyezy, which is a service that I consider to be one of the best parental control services out there on the market. Through lots of testing, I find that Eyezy has a package of features not offered by any of its competitors. One of these features is the Social Spotlight feature. Social Spotlight is a real game changer for parents who want to keep a close eye on their child's social media activity. With it, you'll be able to monitor all incoming text messages and activity on popular social media apps. Basically, everything your child sends and receives will be under your watchful eye. What's even better is that Eyezy comes with a screen recorder that takes screenshots every time something notable happens on your child's apps, like when they receive a text message or a picture. This feature ensures that you won't miss a thing. Eyezy's Social Spotlight covers 4 of the most popular social media apps out there: WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. So you can rest assured that you'll be in the know when it comes to your child's online activities, and you'll be able to view all the messages and pictures exchanged on these apps, and the logs will show you who your child's talking to and when those conversations took place. Another one of Eyezy's features is its keylogger. This feature is a great way to keep tabs on what your child's typing, whether it's in text message or elsewhere on their device. The keylogger works by allowing you to choose certain words or phrases you want to monitor. Whenever one of these words or phrases appears on the screen, you'll receive an alert that shows you when it was sent and a snippet of the related conversation. And in my opinion, this is a more robust feature than what you'll find in other parental control apps that limit you to certain categories of words, like bark, for example. With Eyezy's keylogger, you have more control and flexibility over what you want to monitor, so you can customize it to fit your specific needs. Eyezy also packs impressive app and website monitoring capabilities. With Eyezy, you'll be able to see a complete list of all the applications downloaded on your child's device, along with comprehensive reports on how much each app was used and at which times. If you notice that your child is spending too much time on certain apps and neglecting their chores, you can easily block it directly from your dashboard to get your children off their butts. And when it comes to website monitoring, Eyezy allows you to blacklist any sites that you don't want your child visiting. While it would be nice if you could block categories of sites rather than manually blocking each one, the fact that you have this feature is really a huge plus in any case. Eyezy also provides reports on which sites were visited, when, and for how long your child spent on each site, as well as which ones that they visit the most. And another great feature that this service offers is the phone analyzer that allows you to monitor your child's call logs and contact list. You'll be able to see who they talk to, when, and for how long, and receive a report of their most frequent contacts. And added to that, Eyezy's unique plan breaker feature lets you view all of your child's upcoming events and their details on their calendars, including locations if there's any. I personally haven't seen any service that offers anything similar to their plan breaker. Eyezy also packs a lot of location tracking capabilities. Using their live location feature, you can track your child's whereabouts at any time. You can also set geofences for restricted or allowed areas where you'll receive notifications whenever they enter or leave them. And on top of that, you can see a list of all Wi-Fi networks your child's device has connected to, along with the time of the connection, as well as longitude and latitude details of each network. And if you need to get your child off their phone and do their chores, you can easily block their Wi-Fi access from your dashboard. Now, this level of tracking detail is something I haven't seen in other parental control as well. And finally, Eyezy has an incognito mode where it hides itself and all traces of it running on your child's device. It won't even show you the application icon once you install it if you wish so. And if you want to leave it visible, you also get that option. And in terms of ease of access, Eyezy is unmatched. Most parental control apps require you to download several versions of the apps to get it going, but with Eyezy, you only need to install the app on your child's device and view everything from the Eyezy website parental control dashboard that you can access from any web browser. Now, since I've mentioned installation, let's see how you can install Eyezy and how it actually works. You can install Eyezy on Android or iPhone by either downloading it from the app stores or directly from the Eyezy website. Though it's important to note that different versions of the app come with different sets of features. The App Store versions have limited capabilities and only allow location and contact monitoring. In contrast, the Android APK version from the Eyezy website itself provides access to all the app's features, including key logging, live location tracking, and the social spotlight. And when it comes to iOS, there's an iCloud Sync version that allows you to monitor contacts, files, and receive email alerts, but it has fewer features compared to the Android APK version on their website. Now, if you want to unlock the full potential of Eyezy on iOS, there's a jailbreak version available, which, as the name implies, requires you to jailbreak your phone, and this process can be risky since jailbroken phones are always prone to security risks. But if you do decide to go through with the jailbreak version, the installation process has a comprehensive guide, and if you face any issues, their 24/7 service will help you with the installation. Now that we've talked about Eyezy's best features, let's discuss areas where it could be improved at. For example, the app doesn't provide real-time updates on your child's phone activities. Instead, you receive update reports every 15 minutes, which could be a bummer for some, but realistically, most parents probably only check the dashboard when there's an alert and are not monitoring 24/7. So the 15-minute delay might not really be that big of a deal. And another thing worth mentioning is that the key logging feature can sometimes send multiple alerts for the same message, which can clutter the dashboard and make it seem a little spammy. With that being said, let's talk about pricing. Eyezy starts at $50 a month, but if you go for the full year plan, the cost drops significantly to $9.99 a month, which is more affordable compared to other parental control apps. But do keep in mind that each subscription only covers one device, so it's better suited for parents with only one child. So would I recommend Eyezy for your household? Absolutely. It's particularly great for parents with young kids who want to keep a close watch on them, whether that involves monitoring their online activity or tracking their location. And what sets Eyezy apart from other services is its unique combination of features that can't be found anywhere else. With Eyezy, you can stay on top of your children's every move and ensure their safety around the clock. So if you want to have complete peace of mind when it comes to your kids' online activity and whereabouts, Eyezy is definitely the way to go. And so that's going to be it for this video. Again, if you'd like to check out Eyezy for yourself, you'll find all the useful links, including, of course, discounts in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions. I really like getting to interact with you guys and, of course, answering the questions. And please like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or if you'd like to stay up to date with our future videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.